In this video, we will introduce the prep for AD0-E605 Adobe Real-Time CDP Developer Expert. Introduction to AD0-E605 Adobe Real-Time CDP Developer Expert. Why earn the certification? Key exam information. Exam objectives. Section breakdown. Effective study strategy for AD0-E605. 1. What is the core function of alerts in the Adobe Real-Time CDP? A. To notify users of system or operation predefined conditions. B. To support data routing and orchestration. C. To monitor privacy regulations. D. To track customer behavior patterns. 2. What does license usage tracking in Adobe RTCDP help organizations manage? A. Customer segmentation rules. B. Compliance with data usage policies. C. Platform resource utilization and quota limits. D. Batch ingestion workflows. 3. A company is looking to model their data architecture in Adobe Real-Time CDP that includes customer transactions across multiple platforms. What is the approach to define identity graph for a customer in Adobe Real-Time CDP to track a customer's activities across multiple platforms? A. Use a time-based merge policy for all platforms. B. Define unique identity namespaces for each platform. C. Define common identity namespaces across platforms. 4. What are common activation patterns in Adobe RTCDP? Select 2. A. Batch activation for large datasets. B. Edge-based activation for real-time use cases. C. Manual activation for immediate campaign needs. D. On-site segmentation for batch exports. 5. What is the primary purpose of data ingestion in Adobe RTCDP? A. Creating static reports for business analysis. B. Feeding structured and unstructured data into the platform to build unified profiles. C. Generating predefined customer segments. D. Normalizing data exclusively for batch processing. 6. Which feature in Adobe RTCDP is critical for enforcing data governance policies? A. Data usage labeling and enforcement, DULE. B. Real-time data streaming. C. Unified profile dashboard. D. Batch processing workflows. 7. What is the primary purpose of segmentation in Adobe RTCDP? A. To create datasets for data ingestion. B. To define audience groups for targeted activation. C. To manage batch processing workflows. D. To enforce DULE policies. 8. What are key elements of an effective identity strategy in Adobe RTCDP? Select 2. A. Deterministic identity resolution. B. Avoiding the use of cross-device identifiers. C. Using multiple identity namespaces for flexibility. D. Only relying on probabilistic identity resolution. 9. What is the primary purpose of governance in Adobe RTCDP? A. Optimizing data ingestion workflows. B. Ensuring data compliance and proper usage across services. C. Creating static and dynamic segments. D. Performing deterministic identity resolution. 10. Which components are critical for designing a real-time customer profile? Select 2. A. Unified schemas for all data sources. B. Predefined segments. C. Identity namespaces for data linking. D. External data connectors. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.